Okay, the customer have on the wall thermostat. Wall thermostat have connectors like terminals, wire terminals. It's usually 4. One of these is green, yellow, red, and white. Red is hot wire. Hot wire usually means like it's coming through here, the neutral, like 24 volts alternate current. V, it's usually a response for the heat. Yellow for the cool, and G for the fan. Alright? The next thing, when you will turn on your thermostat will energize a relay which will connect to these wires, and it will give you like a command for the furnace for start heating process. Heating process will start with next procedures. It will run first the inducer motor. If we were talking about right now, I'm talking about the furnace which has the blower wheel motor. The control board. Okay, let me talk this way. We have a control board which have the same connectors G, Y, W, and red. You actually here, this is connected here like a long wire which going from the wall to your control board. Its initialization, it's like a get the command between these two terminals what need to process running process heat process. Then this control board have a relay and 2 contacts for the running inducer motor. Inducer motor, it's actually the device which is running airflow through the heat exchanger. It's increasing the speed of burning of flame and gases. It's running the blower inducer wheel motor, and the gases will run out from the furnace outside, somewhere outside. Okay? This is a control board. With this is inducer motor or inducer blower wheel motor. The next thing, to inducer motor connected pressure switch. Pressure switch. Pressure switch is connected to by wires to control board. Okay? And also could be what here is also connected by serial line of thermostats, like a thermostat which is like a thermostat or thermal fuse. It could be like a few of them. Thermostat here, and they are located on multiple places, could be located on multiple places on your furnace. Then this thing is connected back to the control board. It is running like that. And here's I have another relay. Another relay will send 120 volts, usually 120 volts alternate current to the what is it? It's an igniter. Igniter, it's energizing in like 10, probably 25 seconds. When it's energizing, it's usually have like a delay on control board. It's take like 10 or 25 seconds for energizing, and sometimes these igniter playing a role like a flame sensor, or it's changing the resistance of the igniter itself, or but it's usually just the control board. It's giving some time for the energizing, for the getting red this igniter, and then after like a 10 or 25 seconds, here's a will turn on the next relay. Which turn on what? Main valve on gas valve. Main valve on gas valve. Okay. It will, this igniter, because it's starting getting the flame already on gas injectors, it will run the checking of the flame. We have here the flame throat sensor, like a flame sensor. Flame sensor is connected directly to the control board. Which is actually like, if we will try to, I will try to explain it. It's like a step number 1, step number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can skip few of steps, but it's because it's usually depend on how the manufacturer built each furnace. Okay. With flame sensor is just to let know the control board, but what the flame still like available. Okay. Because the flame still available, it could run the flame constantly, else the R and W is energized. The next thing, the step number 8, we have here like a high limit thermostat. Or it's like just could be called like a fan switch. Okay, this is a fan switch. Actually, this fan switch or high limit thermostat, it's located very close to heat exchanger. Heat exchanger, because the flame is running, heat exchanger making heat, and this heat need to move. This high limit switch will sense, for example, it will reach like 110 Fahrenheit, and will turn on. Here's a bimetal contact, and will send the power through here or through the control board, because the control board could have like another relay for the what? For the blower wheel motor, right? The blower wheel motor is the next thing. Here's a number, step number 8. Here's a number 9. The blower wheel motor. Blower wheel motor, like a turbo. Okay? It's energizing the relay on control board, and it will run the blower wheel motor. Okay? With these thermostats on step number 4, could be connected here. Could be connected here on the inducer motor. It could be connected close to the gas injectors. Let's explain here, because the main valve it's in spraying the natural gas to the gas injectors, and it's running the gas burning. Okay, and this thing, the blower wheel motor, actually the blower, it's actually the air handler. It's running the air through the heat exchanger, and you will sense the heat in your house.